Hello. In this assignment, I tried to design a dragon staff and a pair of fire fans that can be used with LED lights. These tools are originally fire performance props. In recent years, LED versions of them have been becoming very popular. So I actually would like to make proper LED flow toys that create strong and beautiful persistence of vision effects, but as a total beginner at tinkering, I have to keep things at a basic level. I designed the prototypes after watching tutorials, mainly using these shapes and shelling. When the staff is rolled continuously, this part creates spiral-like shapes. It is held here and rolled continuously over arms and shoulders so that the ends look like wheels in the air. There are some examples with fire and LED. When it comes to fire fans, there would have been wicks to be burned over here. In this LED version, there will be LED lights. The performer holds the grips, spins, and juggles the props, making nice geometrical shapes. And here are some examples. This is a moon symbol that I added. Pagan type of symbols tend to be well liked in flow and fire arts communities, and this is a triple moon, triple goddess symbol that I especially like. Oh. With the help of some tutorials, I created a circuit with LED lights that can be controlled through an IR sensor and remote. The IR sensor is supposed to detect infrared radiations coming from the remote and conduct the commands. The anodes here are connected to the pins over here, and the cathodes are connected to the resistors that are set to 220 ohms to contain the electricity flow, and they are also connected to the board. What else? The output of the IR sensor is connected to the pin 12. The ground of the sensor is connected to the ground of the Arduino board, and the power is connected to 5 volt. Let's take a look at the code. Here is the code that I gathered from some other tutorials. After adding IR library, I introduced the variables here and entered commands to receive and decode IR signals. Digital pins over here, starting from 2 here, are set as output. Start the simulation. So button 1 turns on the yellow light, and 2 turns it off, and 3 and 4 5. Yeah. Mm. So ideally, there must be many more LED lights on the tools. Someone else can change and combine colors when they're being used. So, thank you for watching.